Good day everyone, my topic is all about quality control. This is the introduction. Quality control or QC is a vital aspect of any manufacturing or service-based industry. It refers to the process of ensuring that products and services meet consistent standards and satisfy customer expectations. Through systematic inspection, testing, and corrective actions, QC aims to identify and eliminate defects of variation in production. The primary goal of quality control is not only to maintain the quality of the product but also to improve efficiency, reduce waste, and enhance customer satisfaction by using tools such as controls, charts, inspections, and statistical methods. QC ensures that every item produced aligns with the company's standards and regulatory requirements. Objectives. The main objectives of the quality control is to ensure that products and services consistently meet predefined quality standards and customer requirements. That it aims to detect and eliminate defects during the production process, minimize errors, and maintain high level reliability, safety, and customer satisfaction. Quality control. Quality control or QC is the process of ensuring that products and services meet defined quality standards and customer expectations. It involves monitoring, inspecting, and testing during or after production to identify correct defects. Purpose of quality control in production. To ensure, number one is to ensure product quality. To make sure that every product meets the required specification and standards before reaching the customer. Number two, to minimize production defects, to identify and correct errors during the manufacturing process, reducing defective outputs. Number three, to improve customer satisfaction, to deliver reliable, high-quality products that meet or exceed customer expectations. Number four, reduce waste and rework, to prevent the production of faulty items, saving time, materials, and costs. Number 5 is to maintain consistency in production, to ensure uniformity and stability in the production process for the efficient operations and predictable results. This is the key aspects of quality control in production management. Number one is inspection and testing. Regular examination of raw materials and processed items and finished goods to detect defects and ensure conformity to standards. Number two, standardization. Establishing clear quality standards, specifications, and procedures to maintain consistency across production. Number 3, process monitoring and control. Using tools like control charts and statistical process control or SPC to monitor production process and maintain stability. Number 4, corrective and preventive action or CAPA. Identifying root cause or defects and implementing solutions to prevent recurrence and improve future performance. Number 5, documentation and record keeping. Maintain detailed records of inspections, test results, and quality data to ensure traceability and compliance. This type of quality control. Number 1 is process control. There are 4 types of quality control. Number 1 is process control. 2 is acceptance sampling, product inspection, and preventive quality control or quality assurance. Number 1 is process control. The purpose of process control is to ensure processes are consistent and operate within set parameters. How it's done? Through real-time monitoring and adjustments using control charts, species, statistical process control. Number 2, acceptance sampling. The purpose of acceptance sampling is to determine if a batch of products meets the quality standards. Number 3, product inspection. The purpose of product inspection is to identify defects and finished products, and how it's done. Visual or physical inspection at the end of the production line. Number 4 is preventive quality control or quality assurance. The purpose of quality assurance is to prevent defects before they happen by using on processes and systems. Assessment. What is the assessment? Assessment. Number 1 is, what is the primary purpose of quality control or QC? A, to increase production speed. B, to ensure products meet quality standards. C, to remove employee workload. Or D, to improve marketing strategies. Number 2, which tool is commonly used in QC to monitor process productions variations over time? A, Gantt chart. B, control chart. C, flow chart. Or D, fishbone diagram. Number 3, what does acceptance sampling involves? Inspecting every single product in the batch randomly, in checking a sample of products to decide about the entire batch, testing and raw materials before product. Or D, preventing defects by improving process. Number 4, which of the following is an example of preventive quality control? Inspecting finished products before shipment. B, using standards operating procedures to avoid errors. C, rejecting defective products found during inspection. Or D, measuring products dimension after production. Number 5, what should be done after the defects are identified in QC? A, ignore the defects and continue production. B, sell the defective products at a discount. C, implement corrective actions to fix and prevent defects. Or D, production speed to compensate for defects. Answer case, narag answer case diri sa likod.